Hi, welcome to CVT of UGS Academy. Today we are going to have the brief idea about PHP. First of all, we are going to cover these topics in this short demo about technology, future scope, brief history of PHP, getting started, examples, then PHP CMS and PHP. Then last one is PHP frameworks. Before going to the technology of going to know about the technology of PHP, first of all we need to know about the software systems. Software systems comprises three things. One is system software, programming software, application software. System software comprises these features like device drivers, operating systems and all. Programming softwares like compilers, debuggers, interpreters like linkers and all. Application softwares like industrial automation, business software, video games and etc. These are the primary things which we need while we are going to develop our applications. Now talking about software and language references, in the market we have a lot of softwares, and basically we divided the softwares in two parts. The one is software system and the second is application software. Application software is further divided into two parts. The first one is desktop application and second one is web application, and this is what we are going to develop using PHP. This is web application. Now we are going to know about the web application architecture. Whenever we develop our web applications, we must follow these architectures. In the very first side, this is the client side program, then the server side program, and the final is database server. Client side program, like when you visit any page, it is developed in using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, suppose if user enter ID and password, then he click on the sign in button, then it will go to the server side programmings. In the server side programmings, we can use any language like .NET, Java, PHP. But here we are going to know about the PHP. That's why we will use here PHP as a server side programming. Now the ID and password will execute in the server side programming, and then go to the database, and it will get the response from the database. This is all about web application architecture. The application architecture is also known as three-tier architecture. As you can see, the architecture is same as previous, but here we will explain more about three-tier architecture. This is the web client, this is the web server, and this is the database server. 1, 2 and 3. This is the three-tier architecture. In the web client, we develop a page using HTML, JavaScript, even CSS as well. When user submit data, the responses go to the PHP interpreter and via PHP pages. Then it takes the input or output from the database through LAN and send the response to the client server. Now, what is PHP? PHP, it is also known as Hypertext Preprocessor, is a widely used general purpose language that was originally designed for web development to produce dynamic web pages. PHP is mainly focused on server-side programming, so you can do anything any other programmer can do, such as collect from data, generate dynamic page contents. PHP can be used on all major operating systems including Linux, many Unix variants including Solaris. Nowadays, 72% web applications follows PHP according to search engine. This is not our data. This is the data of search engine. Now, why PHP? In the market, we have a lot of technologies like .NET, Java, but why should you use PHP? There are so many reasons to use PHP. Like, first of all, the lightweight. if your project is lightweight, then it will run faster. It will run fast in the server. Like for example, you can take the example of Facebook. Even your internet connection is slow, you can run your Facebook application cross-platform compatible. Like Java is also platform independent as well. PHP is also here cross-platforms compatible supports. Procedural object-oriented programming language supports wide range of databases like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, and web servers like IIS and Apache. Supports wide variety of protocols, open sources, no license needed, software free available. PHP is much as 3.5 times faster than other technologies, faster in development time, superior memory management, closer to C style programming. Now PHP experiences. Using PHP we can develop community web portals, discussion sites, corporate websites, internet applications, personal websites or blogs, aficionado sites, e-commerce applications, resource directories, social networking sites. CMS or framework features. The built-in functionality combined with dozens of freely available add-on modules which will enable features such as electronic commerce, blogs, forums, peer-to-peer networking, newsletters, podcasting, picture galleries, file uploads and downloads, and much more. All the CMS and frameworks are open source software distributed under the GPL GNU General Public License and is maintained and developed by community of thousands of users and developers. Now, why PHP is so popular now? This is the thing which strikes on every mind. The first reason is PHP CMSs. These are the CMSs like Joomla, WordPress, Magento and Drupal and many more. What is the advantage of using CMS? If you want to develop your projects rapidly, then we should use PHP CMSs because a lot of features are already developed in these CMSs. We just have to customize these things. This is the second reason, the PHP frameworks. We use PHP frameworks also for the rapid development. Frameworks like Cake PHP, Gen Framework, Coordinator, Kohana and many more. Programming with PHP. Programming pattern is very similar to C language. As you can see, this is the example of C language and this is the example of PHP. In the C language, to print hello world, we use this syntax, and in the PHP, as you can see, to print the same, we use this syntax. In PHP, the tag start with main, then curly braces. Same in the PHP, the tag start with these tags. Here is a printf to print hello world, and here is we are using echo to print this tags. It's closed with curly braces. It also closed with this syntax. As you can see, the programming is very much similar to C language. List of some IT companies which works with PHP. These are the companies which work with PHP. Like Accenture, HCL, Daffodil, Damco, IBM, Infosys, Satyam, L&T Infotech, Patni, NIT and Mastech. Important sites which developed using PHP. These are the list of sites which are the major sites and are developed in PHP. Yahoo, Facebook, BMW Cars, IGNU, Job Seekers, ToAdvance.com, NDTV and IBM 7. You can see the URL and you can also verify whether the site is developed in PHP or not. You can visit the sites like Yahoo, BMW Car, these are the media sites, Facebook, these are social networking sites, Nokia.com, IBM7.com, NDTV.com, Noida Police, Bareilly Police. To contact or know about To contact and for further informations, please contact us at these numbers. Visit us on site on this URL.